The natural world is filled with a diverse array of creatures, each with unique characteristics and adaptations. From the tiniest insects to the largest mammals, every species has evolved to survive in its unique environment. This incredible diversity is a testament to the power and creativity of nature. Some animals capture our imagination with their beauty and grace, like the delicate butterfly fluttering from flower to flower, or the dragonfly, a master of aerial acrobatics, hovering effortlessly over a pond, while others inspire awe with their size and strength. The rhinoceros beetle, with its impressive horn, and the Hercules beetle, known for its incredible lifting power, are perfect examples of nature's might. However, there is a particular group of creatures that pique our curiosity and fear in equal measure: the deadly. These creatures, often small and unassuming, possess lethal capabilities that can cause significant harm or even death. From venomous snakes like the cobra, whose bite can be fatal, to predatory big cats like the tiger, which stalks its prey with silent precision, these animals possess extraordinary abilities that can inflict harm or even death. Their presence in the wild serves as a stark reminder of the dangers that lurk in nature. Our fascination with them stems from a primal instinct to understand and avoid danger. This instinct has been honed over millennia, ensuring our survival in a world filled with potential threats. By studying these deadly creatures, we can better understand the mechanisms of danger and develop strategies to protect ourselves. By learning about these creatures, we gain a deeper appreciation for the power of nature and the importance of respecting its boundaries. The dense rainforests, teeming with life, are a perfect example of ecosystems where deadly creatures thrive and where humans must tread carefully. This essay delves into the world of some of the deadliest insects on Earth. These insects, though small, have evolved remarkable adaptations that make them formidable predators or defenders. These small creatures, often overlooked or underestimated, possess remarkable adaptations that make them formidable forces in the animal kingdom. The bullet ant, for instance, is known for its excruciatingly painful sting, while the kissing bug can transmit deadly diseases. We will explore their habitats, behaviors, and the deadly traits that make them both fascinating and fearsome. From the venomous bite of the brown recluse spider to the potent sting of the scorpion, these creatures have evolved to be efficient hunters and defenders. Understanding their behaviors and habitats not only satisfies our curiosity, but also helps us coexist safely with these remarkable beings. The mosquito, a seemingly insignificant insect, is responsible for more human deaths than any other creature on Earth. This tiny terror is found in almost every part of the world, thriving in warm, humid environments. Mosquitoes are equipped with a long, sharp proboscis that they use to pierce the skin and extract blood. While the act of biting itself is a mere nuisance, the real danger lies in the diseases that mosquitoes can transmit. Malaria, dengue fever, Zika virus, and West Nile virus are just a few of the deadly illnesses spread by these tiny insects. The mosquito's ability to act as a vector for these diseases makes it a significant threat to human health, particularly in tropical and subtropical regions. Efforts to control mosquito populations and prevent the spread of disease include the use of insecticides, mosquito nets, and the elimination of breeding grounds. However, the mosquito's adaptability and resilience make it a persistent and dangerous foe. In the African continent, a formidable insect reigns supreme: the Tsetse fly. This blood-sucking insect is notorious for transmitting a debilitating illness known as sleeping sickness or African trypanosomiasis. Unlike the mosquito, which relies on stagnant water for breeding, the Tsetse fly gives birth to live young. The Tsetse fly's bite is often painful and itchy, but the real danger lies in the parasitic protozoa that it injects into the bloodstream. These parasites invade the central nervous system, causing a range of neurological symptoms, including fever, headaches, confusion, and eventually, coma and death. The Tsetse fly's impact on human health and economic development in sub-Saharan Africa is significant. The threat of sleeping sickness hinders agricultural productivity and livestock farming, perpetuating poverty in affected regions. Control efforts involve insecticide spraying, trapping, and the use of sterile insect techniques to reduce Tsetse fly populations. The killer bees, aggressive defenders with a venomous sting. The killer bee, also known as the Africanized honeybee, is a hybrid species that originated from the interbreeding of African and European honeybees. This hybridization was initially an attempt to improve honey production and resilience in tropical climates. These bees are notorious for their aggressive behavior and potent venom. Unlike their European counterparts, killer bees are more easily provoked and will defend their territory with unmatched intensity. While a single sting from a killer bee is no more dangerous than a sting from a regular honeybee, it's their tendency to attack in large numbers that makes them a formidable threat. When disturbed, they can mobilize the entire colony to defend their hive. Killer bees are highly sensitive to disturbances and will defend their hives with relentless ferocity. Even the slightest perceived threat can trigger a massive defensive response. They can chase intruders for long distances, stinging repeatedly and inflicting multiple doses of venom. This relentless pursuit can last for several hundred meters, making escape difficult. This aggressive behavior has earned them a fearsome reputation, and encounters with killer bees can be dangerous, especially for individuals allergic to bee stings. The venom from multiple stings can cause severe reactions, including anaphylaxis, which can be life-threatening. Despite their aggressive nature, killer bees play a crucial role in pollination, contributing to the health of ecosystems and agricultural production. Their efficiency in pollinating a wide variety of plants helps maintain biodiversity and supports food production. Understanding their behavior and taking precautions to avoid disturbing their hives are essential for peaceful coexistence. Beekeepers and individuals living in areas with killer bee populations must be educated on how to handle encounters and minimize risks. Educational programs and workshops can help communities learn about the importance of bees, including killer bees, and how to protect themselves while respecting these vital pollinators. By fostering awareness and knowledge, we can reduce fear and promote coexistence. Using protective gear and following safety protocols are crucial for those who work with or near killer bees. Proper equipment and techniques can prevent unnecessary stings and ensure that both humans and bees remain safe. In the end, while killer bees may seem intimidating, their role in nature is indispensable. By respecting their space and understanding their behavior, we can appreciate their contributions to our environment and coexist harmoniously. The driver ants, a force of nature with powerful jaws. In the heart of Africa, a formidable army marches across the savanna, the driver ants. These nomadic insects are renowned for their massive, organized colonies and their insatiable appetite for meat. Driver ants are blind and rely on pheromone trails to navigate and communicate with each other. What makes these ants truly remarkable is their sheer power in numbers. A single colony can contain millions of individuals, all working in unison to hunt, forage, and defend their territory. Their powerful jaws can deliver painful bites, and they are known to overwhelm and dismember prey much larger than themselves. While driver ants are not typically aggressive towards humans, their massive swarms can be intimidating and potentially dangerous. Their powerful jaws can inflict painful bites, and their relentless advance can force even large animals to flee their path. The bullet ant excruciating pain from a tiny stinger. Deep within the dense and mysterious Amazon rainforest resides an insect whose sting is nothing short of legendary, the bullet ant. This vast and vibrant ecosystem is home to countless species, but few are as infamous as the bullet ant. This large ant species, known scientifically as Paraponera clavata, is notorious for delivering one of the most painful stings in the entire insect kingdom. Its reputation precedes it, striking fear into the hearts of those who dare to venture into its territory. The bullet ant's sting is said to feel like being shot, hence its name. The pain is immediate and intense, often described as a wave of agony that radiates through the body. The excruciating pain is caused by a potent neurotoxin found in the ant's venom. This neurotoxin, known as ponerotoxin, disrupts the nervous system, leading to an overwhelming sensation of pain. When the bullet ant stings, its venom attacks the nervous system, causing not only intense pain but also a burning sensation and temporary paralysis that can last for several hours. Victims often describe the experience as feeling like their flesh is on fire. The bullet ant's sting is not typically fatal to humans, but the intense pain and debilitating effects make it an experience best avoided. The pain can be so severe that it can incapacitate a person, making it difficult to move or function normally. Interestingly, some indigenous tribes in the Amazon use bullet ants in initiation rituals, testing the endurance and courage of young men. These rituals are deeply rooted in tradition and are seen as a rite of passage into adulthood. Hundreds of bullet ants are woven into gloves, and the initiates must wear these gloves for a set period, enduring the excruciating pain as a rite of passage. The young men must remain calm and composed, demonstrating their bravery and resilience in the face of overwhelming pain. This ritual is not only a test of physical endurance, but also a profound psychological challenge, symbolizing the transition from boyhood to manhood in their culture.